Hello everyone, thank you for checking in on our video. Today I'm here with Dr. Iris Garcia. Thank you, doctor, for being with us.
Thank you for having me.
We're going to talk about briefly just some good information. If you're in an accident, the importance of going to treat immediately after you're in an accident, even if you're in shock and you feel you have no pain or injury. And that is because the injuries or the feelings you have may be a lot worse inside than what they look like on the outside. Isn't that true?
That is very true. A lot of the times right after we have shock and adrenaline, and so that just masks the pain. So it's not apparent at the time that you're injured.
And I know that, the doctor and I talk a lot about these issues, and something that's very interesting about accidents, car accidents, there's the whiplash, and then there's muscular type injury and pain, but then there's nerve damage, spinal cord type pain. And sometimes that's not readily visible or distinguishable. So tell us about what's the difference between muscular injuries and nerve damage.
Well, muscle injury is typically pain at the site. So let's say if my arm hurts at the shoulder, I probably have more local pain. It could be throbbing or aching. When it's more nerve related, that's where it travels. So it could go from the neck or the shoulder area down to the hand, or from your back down to your feet. And typically that pain lasts longer than muscle pain. Muscle pain can last a few days to a few weeks, whereas nerve pain can last up to 6 months or longer if it's left untreated.
Okay, so they do require different type of medical treatments to cure them or remedy the pain, the symptoms.
Yes, definitely.
And something very important that I know we touch upon sometimes is that if someone doesn't go right away to the doctor, or someone goes and then doesn't follow up with their doctor's orders, can that make the recovery worse for the injured person?
Oh, definitely. Typically, anything that is muscle related could be fully treated and resolved within 4 to 6 weeks if the person does everything that's required. However, if they don't, that's where chronic pain comes in. And so that it means it's more permanent, and it does dip into their daily life. So that's where they can't pick up their kid, off the ground, or they can't do certain work activities, or even play golf or tennis if they, are usually a sports related person. Yeah.
So like the doctor has just told us, and like I always tell everyone, but it's good to hear it from a doctor too, is that if you are in an accident, no matter if you think you're fine, you're young, you think you can get along, with the small pain you have, it's important that you seek treatment to understand what's happening internally, but also that you follow doctor's orders, because the pain or the injury can get worse, and if you don't take care of it right when you need to, then you can create permanent damages to your spinal cord and nerve injuries that you'll have to live on for the rest of your life. So I want to thank the doctor for being with us today. Anytime you want to be back, you know where to find us.
Great, thank you.
And stick around and you'll see more videos of quick information from the doctor and I. Thanks.